I'm Dr. Saranya Devi from Salem district, a remote place in Salem. I'm having a separate setup, a 20-bedded hospital. Actually, I have already undergone training in some other center, but in that center, they were given training only in academics, like main lectures were given, and there was no hands-on. After getting hands-on from here, I'm very confident in doing OPUs and ET. Whereas other training places, they were not allowed inside the IVF labs, like they don't show us what is happening inside, and just lectures were taken. And I'm really thankful to Kamini Rao ma'am for giving us this opportunity to be a part of this training in this institute under her. She has provided us like great knowledge. Her lectures used to be very interesting, very interactive, one-to-one, and what all complications we'll be facing and how to avoid complications. That is the first thing she is very particular about. She gives us confidence to handle cases, even complicated cases. She's like dosing also, from dosing, even small things, how to start up, so that it gives us confidence to work in the periphery. There is no one to guide us, but we after joining this course, I feel that I can handle patients. In our peripheries, in the periphery center, what happens is, like, whenever we get cases, infertility cases, I have applied for level 1, so I'll be dealing till IUI. But when it comes for IVF, when I refer the patient to some other hospital for IVF, patients don't turn up to that hospital and not to me also. So I how to explain the patient the need of IVF for them, because they think that IVF is not a must because of making money. We are promoting IVF, but that is not true. The explaining the patient about the real problem, what they have in detail, gives more knowledge to the patient, and they'll be more confident in us, and they continue the treatment. And this I have learned from ma'am, that how it has to be explained to the patient in detail. And we had a hands-on training here. The simulation course, we were occupied with OPU, ET, and then hysteroscope. Other training places, they don't give the simulation, so we find it difficult to directly handle the patients initially. So this OPU, now we are confident with how to pick up, like it gives us a knowledge of how to handle the needle, how to enter the uterine cavity in ET. So this confidence, I think, can come only by simulation training. We see many people from all over India and also from abroad that they are coming for this course. Seeing you only gives me an overjoying feel. Like, I'm overwhelmed with what I have no words to express my joy seeing you, ma'am. Thank you.